Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. It was not a good week for Facebook's Libra project. Again, hotel reservation company Booking.com joined PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard to become the seventh major company to exit the project. Furthermore, a U.S. congressman said Facebook should drop Libra and instead implement Bitcoin. Warren Davidson criticized Facebook's speech filters and feared similar filters on transactions. The tax haven island of Bermuda is set to accept US dollar-pegged stablecoin USDC for tax payments. USDC is issued by the major US exchanges Coinbase and Circle. Bermuda is known for its lenient approach to crypto taxation and legislation and now becomes the first nation to accept a stablecoin for tax payments. Binance, the largest crypto-to-crypto exchange, brought in approximately $186 million in profits in Q3, up 56% from Q2. Every quarter, Binance burns BNB worth 20% of its quarterly profits. During the ninth burn, Binance sent 2 million BNB valued at $36 million to an inaccessible address. Cumulatively, the exchange has made more than $1 billion in a little over 2 years of existence. The supply of Bitcoin reached 18 million BTC out of the maximum of 21 million. This means that over 85% of Bitcoin's total supply has been issued. It's expected to take another 120 years before all the coins are mined. And finally, Oxford University Press has added the term Satoshi to their famous dictionary. The word Bitcoin was added in 2014. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.